Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can download a video on Facebook. Let's get right into it with how do you download a video that you've posted on your own Facebook profile or page? Well, to be completely honest with you, it's not easy. You can't do this on your desktop. No matter how hard you try, it's just not gonna work on your desktop. So you have to do it on the app on a mobile device. So I've got my Facebook page up here and I'm gonna scroll down and you'll see I have this video here of Jacob. Wow, it looks great. I said, check this out. It's pretty cool. I'm going to download this video. So to do so, I have to click on the top right-hand corner here and you'll see, wait, there's no download button. So how do I see where I download the video? You have to actually go up, click on more, and then click on Reels. From there, you'll be brought to all of the videos that you've posted in Facebook Reels. I'm gonna click on Jacob here, and you'll see here I have a full screen version of his video. I'm gonna click on the little three dots here, and then you'll see I have the option to download the video to my device. It's going to ask me if I want to provide access to my photos. I'll say yes. And there you go, you'll get a little check mark when it's downloaded. How do you download a video that someone else has posted to Facebook? Maybe it's a helpful recipe or maybe a DIY hack. This can only be done from your desktop, ironically enough. And all you have to do is click on the reel to go full screen on the reel, just like we did with Jacob. And then you're going to copy paste the URL into a third-party downloader. fdown.net is typically the most recommended site for third-party downloads of Facebook videos, but I will mention I can't personally speak to the safety and the validity of the site. If you get your identity stolen, you can't blame me. There you have it. It's simple enough, but it can be a little bit complex to figure out. That's how you download your very own Facebook videos. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.